Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to send link in Monopoly Go. So let's open the app, and then from here on the right bottom you can see friends. Go ahead and click on friends, and then from here we have three options. We can go from contacts to Facebook, and we can also do invite. So in this case I'll choose invite. And then from here, we can have the invite option and invite through Messenger. So in my case, I'll hit invite to copy the link. Then from here, we can just go ahead and copy to clipboard. And there you go. If this video is helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.